Shrimp and grits is my absolute favorite brunch dish, but these restaurants have been disappointing me lately, so I decided to make my own recipe. So we take some shrimp and we season it with kosher salt, black pepper, garlic powder, dried thyme, and smoked paprika, and some avocado oil. Then I'm cutting up some peppers. I used red bell pepper, green bell pepper, serrano peppers, and onions. That's going to be the base for our gravy. I'm searing off the shrimp in some avocado oil. You can use any neutral cooking oil you like. I had avocado. And I did that for about 2 minutes per side just to get some color on them, cook them through a little bit. And I'm taking them out and using the same pan, I'm going to melt down some butter and I'm going to sear off our peppers and our onions just until they're a little bit translucent. I'm adding in wondra flour. You can use regular all-purpose flour, but this helps there be no lumps in my gravy. And I'm pouring in some stock. You can use chicken stock, shrimp stock, whatever stock you got. Pour it in a little bit at a time and then mix it together so there's no lumps. Add in some cilantro. Add your shrimp back in with all the juices it made. You can make grits however you like. I usually follow the package directions and then add in some milk and butter at the end so they can be creamy. And this is my shrimp and grits.